Is it a page or is it a post? What's the difference? My name's Andy, I am the Code Rebel, and people always ask, what's the difference between posts and pages in WordPress? Well, there isn't a lot really, but how I always kind of think of it is organizing the data. A page is something that's a permanent piece of content that sits there, and it's there for a long time, like a shop page, the front page, contact us about me, things like that. Your posts, on the other hand, are things that I like to use for SEO content. So the things that may get updated are a bit more time sensitive, I guess. So your posts are where you just throw the content and the SEO articles into the posts and keep your pages nice and organized and tidy. That's kind of how I would describe it in I guess less than a minute. So let's flip over actually. Let's flip over to screen and we can see here I'm on the Code Rebel website in the dashboard. Pages, there isn't obviously a lot on this site. It's pretty much a single page site at the moment. So we have the Code Rebel, which is the front page. And we've got the privacy policy, which is a draft because I haven't even published it to do anything. But that's where you want your shop page, things like that are just static places that you use commonly and direct to. Your posts are stuff that you want to reach out in SEO. So you want Google to be reading the posts and then the posts to direct back to your endpoints, which are kind of the pages. That's as quick as I can really go through it without going into mega detail. Everyone uses them a bit differently. That's how I use them and how I like to organize stuff on them. So yeah, also I will just add a little side note with your user accounts. Do not put your login name as your nickname and display it on all the pages and posts. Make sure that's different just so crawlers can't pick it up and try and, get in by essentially guessing your password. If they're using a login name that doesn't exist, well, it's even better, isn't it? Because you're going to be trying a while. And that's why we don't have admin logins too. But yeah, the whole point of this, posts, that's your content to be reaching out to Google, bringing people back to your pages. Pages is like your main core content and structure of your website. So yeah, there's your simplest answer to WordPress posts versus pages. All done. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, and I'll see you next time.